Take a good look, YouTube. That's 78-year-old Paul Lavoie. He's 280 pounds, 6 feet 3 inches tall. He's got brown eyes, white hair, and he's white skinned. He lives in Fall River, Massachusetts on Montauk Street. In 1997, he was charged with, yep, you guessed it, rape and abuse of a child. If you live in the Fall River area and you see this guy up here, see that guy? That's Paul Lavoie. Take a look at his face. He's got that rape and abuse of a child. And you don't want your children next to someone that does that kind of stuff. So if you're in Fall River, down the south end, around Montauk Street, and you see Paul Lavoie, keep your kids away, because you know he'll be looking at them.